you want to know how to make these easy ornaments? Half a cup of flour, quarter cup salt, and a little bit of water. And first you put the flour. Yeah, first you put the flour. Now some salt. Then you put some salt. And finally pour the water. And all we have to do is mix it. Mix it by hand. But you have to mix it well. Very well. If too dry, add more water. If too sticky, add more flour. For right now, I think we need a little more water. After you mix it and add some more water or a little more flour or salt, you can shape it into pieces. Or plop it down and then wait for a little bit. Wash your hands so it won't be that sticky anymore. And when your ball is a circle, just put it down. You can make it as big as possible. Like this one over here. Parchment paper on this. And my sister wanted to show that we add more flour in our hands. Or dabble it on this. And mix it. How do you feel just spread it a little bit. And now, put this on. Stretch it any shape as you want. It's easier if you use a roller like this one and roll it. So, like so. Okay. But for the easy way to make it thick and smooth, I'm gonna roll it up in the bowl. I added flour on top and mixed it together. And now I grab this, add some things on the top. And now some flour on the top. Flour on the top. And then I roll it. If you don't have a roller, that's okay. You could just smash it with your hands like this. Yes. I'm not really gonna use that roller. I want to try again. So I'm just gonna use my hands because it's not gonna be fair if you don't have a roller. So it's okay if you do use a roller because that's really easy. But if you don't, you can use hand. Now it's the fun part. So we can make any shape we want with the jar lid, cookie cutters, and Play-Doh tools. And if you like, you can make your own shape without any of those. It's very fun to make up your own shape. When you use a Play-Doh tool, just press it hard like this. Then keep it on there. Then peel out the excess clay or Play-Doh. Then you see the shape you just made. Okay, for these parts, for this one, you just press hard just like that one, and just remove the peel. And this is what I made. I used the bottle cap to make it, but you forgot all about the cookie cutters. So I'm gonna start with and slide it over, or just pick it up just like the others. And right now I made a heart, which is from a cookie cutter. any shape you like. Line of your thing, you can press the bottom of yours to get the design. Ta-da! And see, this is the design of this butterfly. Flap, flap. Now, when you're ready, poke a hole on a side. Like this. See? Poke a hole like this on a side of your shape. When you poke the hole, you could put a string, and you can tie the string to the Christmas tree. Okay, now it's time to bake them. So it's beautiful to see all your designs, and it's time to bake them. You can put it for 200 Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or you could air dry it for a few days. You can also use a modeling clay from the store. You can use nail polish, acrylic, and watercolor. I think I like this color here. Look nice. And nail polish could be good too. Whatever choice you like. You can even use crayons, markers, but those don't really work, so we're using paints and nail polish or something. We can make any paint we want, or we can just use what we have. It's very fun to paint them, and have fun when they're dry. And paint the back, okay? And you can also make toys. You could shape the dough to whatever you want. This is my hand and this is my 1-year-old hand. Isn't it cute? But, ta-da! To tie this knot. First, you need to put a polystyrene or string through the hole you made.